If the object is placed at focus, then look at the figure. In this figure there is an object you can see is placed at focus. Whenever uh, the rays of light goes, means for the formation of the image, then image formed at infinity, means they are not joining each other because an object is placed at focus. So you have an answer that the image will be formed at infinity point, means it will be formed but at infinity point. So the next one is object placed between focus and pole. So what happened over there? So you can see that uh, the formation of the image is very uh, means unusual, and an image is formed at extra infinity point, means we can say that image can never be uh, uh, formed, and so for this image will be at the another side and image will be virtual. So the another one is when an object is placed at infinity, then the image will be uh, formed at focus, and the size of image is very short, means image will be point sized, and the size of image is very short, and then the size of an object. So the parallel rays always comes from infinity, and after reflecting they pass from focus. That's why we can say that the image will be very short.